Hi, welcome to the demo videos for Pathwave Test Executive for Manufacturing Software, or PTEM. In this video, let's look at setting test limits for the test steps in our test plan. We set test limits in our test plan to determine if the result passes or fails. The results can be a response from an instrument or the outputs from other test sequences. In PTEM, you can add limits to any of the input or output parameters of a test steps to check its value. I've added some test steps in the test plan to demonstrate how the test limits can be added easily. These are the steps that are commonly used for result calculations, string processing, or simply to receive a measurement value from an instrument. Usually, we would have to assign the results of these steps to some variables first, and then create a separate set of test steps to test their values. But now with PTEM, we don't need to do all those extra steps anymore. Testing of the values can be done right in the step itself. So let's start with a simple math addition step. A math addition step produces a numeric result, and we can test the result directly within the test step just by adding the limit to the result parameter. Right-click on the result parameter, select Add Limit, give the test a name, select the type of limits that you want, set the expected value, and assign the result to the DUT that you want. So let's give the test a run. The result is passing. And if you look at the DUT will get the pass result as well. So if we simulate a failure, so now we get a result as failed, and the DUT will be failing as well. So to remove a limit from a test steps, all you have to do is to just right-click on the limit and say Remove Limit, and the limit is gone. Next, let's take a look at the testing of string parameters. This is a string contain step which checks if the input string contains a certain set of characters. The result in this case will be a Boolean value. So we right-click on the Boolean value and say Add Limit. Name your limit. And select the limit type that you want to use. And the expected value, in this case, will be true. And assign the result to the DUT. So again, if we run the test passes because it finds the correct character set in the string above, and the DUT gets updated with the results. Let's change the criteria a little bit, and now the test fails, and the DUT result failed as well. Now in most test plans, we will have test steps that receive measurement values from the DUT or instruments. This step here, it reads a measured value from a digital multimeter. Usually we would have to assign the return value to a variable and then create a separate step to test this value. But now with PTEM, we can simply add the limits to the result parameter over here. So just simply right-click the result parameter again, select Add Limit, give the limit the name, select the limit type, and set the DUT to assign to. So that's just how simple it is to assign limits into your test step with PTEM. Now we have come to the end of this video, and I hope you find it informative and useful. Do check out the other videos to learn more about what PTEM can do for you. Thank you for watching.